Here in North Texas, we have a thriving aviation industry. From pilots to flight attendants and beyond, there are many highly skilled careers we need to keep our airports and industries thriving. Is working in the aviation industry for you? Keep watching for some exciting information on how to make your future fly.
I'm Captain Rick Wilson, Vice President of Flight Operations for Envoy Airlines. Envoy is a wholly owned entity of American Airlines. We represent 16,000 employees across the United States, the Caribbean, Mexico, and Canada. About 2,500 of them are pilots, like myself. The rest of the company is made up of customer service agents, ramp employees that handle the baggage. We have a dispatch and crew scheduling organization, as well as aircraft maintenance, in-flight service with our flight attendants, and then the pilot group again. We operate 160 aircraft on the behalf of American Airlines, like this Embraer 175 that's behind me. The industry right now is in tremendous growth mode. And then add on top of that, we have a huge amount of retirements. So the opportunities in this industry are endless. Everything from working the gates at the airport to dispatching aircraft to maintaining those aircraft and then flying those aircraft. Someone that's the first step getting into this industry is probably technical skills. We have special training programs to become a dispatcher and get your FAA license to dispatch, FAA license for being an airplane mechanic, and as well as being a pilot. And every one of those programs you want to go through like a technical school for. And here in North Texas we have great opportunities with technical schools. Over in Fort Worth, we have the Tarrant County Community College. They have programs for airplane mechanics and pilots. In the local area, we have dispatch schools. We also have just professional flight schools if you want to just do the technical trade without any college education. We have the U.S. Aviation Academy up in Denton. We have Coast Aviation down in South Dallas. We also have Thrust Aviation over in Addison. And those are all great places to start. So for those that want to become a pilot, the first step is to probably start in high school and gearing your classes towards the more technical classes that are being offered. Electrical, engineering, any types of classes, and math and mathematics that'll help you. That'll set a good foundation. And then out of high school, as soon as you graduate, the next step is to go to a professional flight school. You can go from zero-time pilot to having all your ratings to become an airline pilot in a matter of 12 to 14 months. Cost is about $100,000 for that training program and that investment. From there, after you graduate and you have all your professional ratings, then you're going to become a certified flight instructor and you're going to teach fellow pilots. You do that for about a year and a half, and then you'll have the time and experience to be able to come to work for Envoy. Now, Envoy will put you right into training on this airplane behind us, the Embraer 175. Spend 5 years with us, and then you'll advance to American Airlines and you'll be flying the big jets over there, Boeing 737s, 757s, and the 777, all around the world. So on a personal level, the exciting thing about the airline industry is it opens up the entire world to you. We travel with American Airlines free anywhere around the world, which is just an incredible perk, to be able to travel and see the world. And that's for myself and my entire family.